Think it works? Yeah, it does. Ah, it works. All right. I'm really just looking at flow. That's what's going on. Let's see what we got. It's, what was I going to start with? Discord. Previous notable flow posts. Let's track these. Today's Thursday. What was the date on? 16th. 16th, NU 13 calls. Can you guys even hear me? I like fixed my mic and stuff. Actually, I gotta check. All right. You guys hear me? Sounds good? Sounds not good? This is just a test run. I'm just gonna be looking through stuff. Might as well just stream it while I'm looking. NU 13 calls. These were open on Monday. Friday of last week. Can't tell. Underwater. Zeros. Palantir 144s. Oh God, give me a second. What's up, guys? I got nothing else to do today, so might as well just look over some flow. Notable flow on Monday. So Palantir was listed on this. 144 calls for 627. Let's see if these whales are still in. This looks like they're still in and they're underwater. Some small cells here and there. 4.36 down by 50%. RGTI. These are 116 expirations. Yeah, I'm gonna just do my own thing for now, and then if I have time, I'll answer some questions. I'll check some flow too. There's some. I remember those UALs. RGTI bulls are still holding. Looks like open interest is still up there. Only 20 viewers, man. Maybe I shouldn't even do this anymore. Let's just do it YouTube. All right, these guys are still holding. WBD. Rip Mike. Mike's not working. You guys can't hear me? Yes. Okay. So, all right. Okay. WBD 15 calls for 1219 expiration. Yeah, bro, literally. Yeah, these guys are still holding in full. So I'm literally looking at for the ones right here. I'm literally looking at the ones, the notable flow posts I post every night. I'm just seeing if whales are in or out. Just kind of want to see what's going on with these guys. Hood, 76 calls for 711. These guys are still in. What is this? Wait, what? Yeah, 5.35. This was on the 16th. Yeah, they're profitable. 5.35 to 6.10. Apple 170 puts. Apple for 170 puts 10.17. I believe these guys are out. Remember? Yeah, they're out. Yeah, they bought some more and then not fully out though. But open interest did decrease. So I would definitely say that they're more out than in. Another hood put sold to open 627 79 put. Yeah, these guys, this is a sweet trade. They sold the 79 puts for 1.19 mil. They were underwater a bit, 5.65, but down to 3.28. So if they buy it back, they'll be making around $100 a contract. This was nice. So these guys are good. EIX 116, 57 a half call for 116. This is the cool thing about whales. Like you can look up any contract, see what's going on. Yeah, these guys are still holding. But I don't know if this is the right one though. 57 and a half, 116. Oh. Yeah, it looks like they're still holding. 2.2 bought, 2.7 looks good. Microsoft potential for GLXY. Bro, I have a friend actually named Riku. I don't know if this is Riku, the one I know. I literally have a friend that lives in Japan. His name's Riku, best friend of mine. What was it? Microsoft 520 calls. Okay, I don't know. I was just wondering. I didn't even know he would have access to this. Yeah, I mean, GLXY did gap up yesterday for some reason. I don't know. I didn't really know the news. Microsoft, yeah, still in 20 mil on the 16th. Oh, 2 orders over 40 mil. No signs of selling. Little bit of open interest in a carryover, but still 25,000. And then Google, I don't know about these ones. I really actually want to know what they did with these. 116 expiration. 195 calls. Yeah, they're down right now. 10 for barely, not much down, but they're down. They're still holding though. Open interest is still there. Okay, so that's Monday's notable flow. Tuesday, SPX 5,000 put being sold to open for 7.8. What did I just say? 5,000? Jesus Christ. Sick. Must be. Am I tripping? Oh. Yeah, it looks like they're still holding. Still holding in full. GE, I actually got stopped out of this trade. It's kind of frustrating. I actually woke up late and I couldn't sell. I mean, it wasn't up that much, but the setup was there. The flow was smooth. Let's just see if they've any closed. Wager Kings requests to speak. Whoa, you guys, we could add different Discord servers.
What's going on?
What's up, man?
I just want to say hello.
How's it
It's good
going?
chat. Hey,
Best. Yo.
everything sounds good. Mic is good. Like the face cam, bro.
How does it sound? Sounds good?
Yeah, sounds good, man.
Oh
Hey,
yeah.
everyone, stay active in chat. All right.
Yeah.
All right, boys. I'll leave you to it.
Yeah, bro. Thanks for stopping in.
Yeah, of course.
That's sick. Uh, yeah, Wager Kings is legit, guys. These guys are goated. Super sick. Yeah, GE still holding. They're down. I know I was down 30%, something like that. Frustrating, but I mean, listen, this is such a clean flow. I had to take it. Open interest carried over, but you can't win them all. Okay, and then QQQ 545, dude. These were the stupidest alert or trade. Pretty sure they closed these out. Yeah, they closed them. They literally closed them at a loss of 3 cents. RGTI, it was almost all. I can quickly check. Yeah, there's still 4,600 open interest. No, I didn't go over UAL yet. I'm going down the list. I'm going down the list. VG 25 calls for 815. These are kind of interesting, but it looks like they're still holding. Yeah. Open interest increase from 4,000 to 11,000. Yeah, still holding. Intel 23 calls for 627. Still holding kind of flat. Has it ever gone wrong, or does it feel sketchy to you when whales load up 45 mil? No, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just a very bullish bet, and of course, it can go. It can be wrong. Not all whales are right, and not all high premium trades are right. Just because they put 5 mil, 6 mil, 10 mil, 45 mil, doesn't mean that they're going to be right. That Microsoft, it could. I mean, it's just you just don't know that. It's just a massive bet. Someone's very bullish on Microsoft. They doubled their position. It seemed like they started at 20 mil or 22 mil, and then they added another 20 mil like an hour later. It could be insider. It could be truly nothing. SMLR 60 calls for 116. It's like almost 100% out the money. Yeah, exactly. SMLR. Yeah, these are wow. 3.77. These are like 4.3 right now. These are up. And then MU 100 puts for 815. These are being sold to open. Yeah, these guys are still holding, it seems. And they're profitable right now. So they sold these contracts at 2.43. It's currently at 2.28. They're not up that much, but they're still up. Okay. And then, that's right. Today's Wednesday, bro. Or today's Thursday. Fuck. Okay, so now I'm just gonna look over some flow, see what we can. I'm gonna look at what I posted, or I just look at these. Yeah, I'm gonna like Avgo was these are today's 19th. Avgo was getting 47 at 26% multi-leg. I gotta find that other trade. MSTR once again. There's 20.4 million these calls. I don't know what what they're trying to do. It is 14% multi-leg, but I'm leaning that it's a single leg trade. But yeah, this is notable. They're just non-stop adding, and then there's some sells here and there, but that's about it. This GOSS 2 calls, 55% out the money, 108,000. If you actually go into this, I feel like there hasn't been. Well, I guess there is some options activity in the last 30 days. Today has been the highest in the last 30 days. Not sure what that's going to tell us, but GOSS is kind of interesting. I should probably note these. What was the GOSS 2 call? What was the total amount on these things? 108,000. 0.37 average. Not a crazy flow, but yeah, MSTR is like, how much is this that was sold? 1,019,000. I don't know if these kind of mid-sized fills. So I'm guessing there's probably 18 mil in these MSTRs. That are still gonna have to see tomorrow morning how much open interest carries over. But these guys have been wrong so many times in the last like week or so. So we'll see. Rocket Lab, 221,000 in the money calls. Nah, that doesn't excite me that much. Run. This is interesting. 31% out the money, over 13,000 volume, 880,000 in premium. This is good. They're literally basically betting on a bounce. So after getting annihilated in the last couple of days. 0.66 average. TLT, I'll look at my filter, but I don't think I really. Dude, VG again. These are puts being sold. We just talked about those 25 calls. VG 17.5 puts STO. 509K, 2.5 average. These are all arbitrage trades. BN arbitrage. These are not exciting me. TLT, nothing. Let me see. Oh, there were these. No, it wasn't this one. 592.5. These ones went pretty well. I actually played these. But I don't know, ETF flow is just, I don't know, hit or miss these days. So 592.5 puts 5.3 expiration. It's like the weekly expirations deep in the money put selling for like millions of dollars. That's when you know it's just an arbitrage. Like it's not like someone's thinking that Apple, like those Apple 215. Yeah, I'll check Snowflow. Just give me a minute. It's like if Apple's 195 and you see an Apple 215 put sell for 620 expiration, like a weekly for like 10 mil, that's 100% arbitrage trade. It's not like someone's betting that Apple's going to go above 215. What's it called? By expiration. Okay, so 5.64 average. Oh, you're good, no worries. Yeah, not much snow flow. This is like on the most basic filter too, so really not much. Like some small 140 puts being sold to open, but that's about it. TLT. There's some like 90 call at 58,000. Yeah. Yeah, not much on TLT really. Unless I'm missing something. Yeah, Avgo was getting these like deep in the money calls. I'm not sure if these are arbitrage as well, but 47.8 mil expiring tomorrow, that doesn't sound like something that, I don't know. I would stay away from that. ARM, yeah, so 2 days ago, it got like these like 165s. They're underwater. It's like 30 cents right now. They bought it at 1. These could be pretty fun. It looks like almost all OI carried over. Not yet. You haven't missed UAL. I'm just going to talk about UAL right now. Just yeah. So UAL was getting 80 calls. They bought it around 4.97. It's around 4.5. But yeah, this is good. UAL is good. 8:15 expiration. What the? Yeah, you got it. I just lost my. Fuck. Oscar again. Like Oscar was getting 28% out the money, 24 calls after that big run up. I'm gonna note this though. So Oscar seems like it wants to break out even more. Everyone and their mother on X is on it too. 204K for 1.09 average. Rocket, we already talked about that. This NU is so interesting. Like they're betting 12.5 calls. For 7 cents a con. Sure, required. Look, yeah, I can look at. I just looked at Avgo. Yeah, Avgo was getting those weird like 235s. I just don't. I think these are some sort of arbitrage trades as well. I don't think someone would really be paying 47 mil. Tesla, brother. I'll look at Tesla, but I'm telling you, Tesla. Like, there's some 350 calls, some 205 puts. Tesla flow, and I'm guessing these are being sold to open. It's like stock replacement. So they would just like let the stock or the options expire. Yeah, Tesla flow, I don't take seriously. I truly don't take it seriously. It's unless someone's paying 5 mil for like a 6% out the money move that expires the next day or something. Reddit 150 calls. This was on the 17th though. There was nothing on the 18th. 455K. Let me look through my notable flows. There was a Starbucks had flow actually. I literally just looked at Avgo, did I not? Yeah, I literally just went over it. I think I went over it twice. Starbucks 95 calls. These are clean. No, I know, but you joined. What? Oh, I'm confused now. Not there's really like good flow on Avgo. There's this one weird one, the 48 million, like $20 in the money, but it doesn't. That doesn't like excite me, to be honest with you. I think there's something with that trade. PCG 14 and a half calls. There was one actually, a SPY for 10 mil. But again, these 570 puts. Yeah, I would rather type that one. Is AMD still holding? What you gotta be? What's it called? More specific on the contract. I don't know. Still holding for calls. I mean, I'm not sure how to answer that. You gotta tell me like what contract for calls. Like, I mean, there's like, I can see if there are calls. There's a 140 call for 171,000, a little bit down. You have to see how much. 10% out the money. You guys should be focusing more on the out the money contracts. Those in the monies are not that fun. Geo 31 calls 919. Yeah, it looks like it's still holding. Open interest increase as well. Yeah. If I can give you 30 people listening right now, tomorrow's quad witch, dude, it's gonna be the worst price action you'll ever be a part of. So if you want to blow your account, feel free to log in tomorrow. Let's see if there's any interesting, like, what is this? No. Oh, there was an RTX bull actually. 170 calls. These fills are kind of bad though. RTX. But I mean, I'm gonna be honest. This market has been so hard, like recently. So don't get too down on yourself. I know I can just sense a lot of people have given up, and I think I think I tweeted this earlier. A lot of people started to trade when the tariffs were paused and the market was just going up and up and up and up and up. And then once the market PA got a little hard and like the market wasn't just going straight up and the market, was either flat, it was chop. And people are like, all right, like I'm over this. I don't want to trade. But if you stick around in these type of markets, you'll be able to trade any other market. Like, you're not going to learn anything when the market just goes up and you just buy calls and the next day you're making money. Like, you don't learn anything from that. Yeah, like, I mean, owls have been doing good. Like, I think the people who have either given up or like have like lost 20-30% of their account, it's all risk management. Like, if you just go through like our trades and your alerts, and I'm not trying to like hype up like the group. I'm just being completely honest. I don't think that the trades have been bad. I think people just don't know when to get out of a contract, or like it's such a base hit market that when you see those 10%, 15% gains and it doesn't sound that good to you and you lose it and you're down 20-30% because you wanted that 100%, this is not the market for that. If I entered a trade that expired next year of July, MODG, I was up 17%. I sold most of it. I still have runners, but I don't even care how much time I have. Maybe, yeah, I'm going to miss out on max gains or whatever, but like, I don't know what's going to happen in this market. If this war breaks out, if the Feds do something, if FOMC does this next month, like, I have no idea. If I see green, I'm just going to take green. So like, I do. So I see it a lot in people like, oh man, I wanted that 100%. Oh, I wanted to double my account. Like, no, it doesn't work like that. It really doesn't work like that. And like, there's a time to when to be aggressive, and there's a time to be defensive. When the market's flying, when the market has, a lot of volume and it's much more volatile, then you can be aggressive. But when the market is literally waiting for headlines and it's just chopping and like just the price action is just wonky, you got to stay back. Like, there's nothing wrong with having 0 open positions. You can have 0 open positions for the week and you'll be completely fine. Nothing's going to happen. There's another week to trade. There's another month to trade. There's another year to trade. Like, you'll be fine. I think a lot of people have to recognize that. Yeah. I don't know. People just trying to go for the moon. Like, you can decide. You can be a gambler, or you can be a trader. There's only 2 things. If you want to be a gambler, you might get lucky, but you most likely won't. Hood 81 calls. These ones did well. Yeah, if you want to gamble, go to Wager Kings. They're the best for gambling. Sports. But if you want to actually become a real trader, follow these steps. Airlines, yeah, AOK. This was actually interesting too. I think I'm gonna do this every night. Rather than just tweeting the notable flow, I might just talk through my flow. This is actually kind of fun. And my mic hasn't even cooked yet. Yeah, this will be the last one for me. I'm just gonna what did I just do? 1.7 million. Yeah, so like these ones, I'm just gonna go through notable flow, like do it really quick, and then maybe once a week I'll have like an actual I'll talk, answer a lot more questions, and but like it's kind of my day off. I want to relax before craziness tomorrow, but yeah, I will do this every night with my notable flow. I kind of fuck with this. Okay, so what we got? I'm gonna post this in the channel. So we got notable flow for tonight. Flow sightings watch list. I can just put in the comments too. You guys can probably just copy it too. Oh wait, I can't. Rip. Fuck. Oh wait, I can. I'll just put in the comments these ones. Okay, and then I'll post it on what. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate the 30 people who showed up. I think it actually automatically records too, so that's pretty chill. So you guys can watch it back. But all right, well, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, guys.